My name is Aziz Pelpo. I am the tour operations manager here at Royal Cosy Hills Safari Resort. Behind me is the hippos pond, and I can guarantee that the whole of Ghana, the only place you can see hippopotamus completely out of the water is Royal Cosy Hills Safari Resort. Hippopotamus is a Greek word which directly translates as water horse or river horse. I guess that is because they spend so much time in the water. Out of 24 hours a day, cumulatively, the hippo spends about 16 to 18 hours in the water. Most of the activities of the hippo is done in the water, with the exception of feeding. So to get them out of the water, we bait them with the feed to come out so visitors can see the hippopotamus in full. They depend on leaves, grasses, and some selected shrubs within the park. And once they get out of the water, we realize that the male hippo is usually bigger in size and darker in skin color. The female is smaller in size and lighter in skin color. They have a lifespan of 45 to 50 years. And these ones you are seeing here is approximately 7 years. So they still have a very long way to go. In fact, they are the third largest mammals on land. After the elephant and the white rhino, the hippo is the third largest mammal on land. Once you are here at Royal Cosy Hills, we guarantee that you will get to see the hippos completely out of the water.